Good morning, students. Today we are going to see what is voltmeter and what are the various types of voltmeter. Okay. So this is the voltmeter we are using in the lab. Okay. What is voltmeter? It will show the voltage or it will show the potential difference between the circuit. So how will you define general voltage? It is the potential difference between the circuit. So the meter which is used to measure the voltage or potential difference between the circuit is called voltmeter. Okay. So here it is defined. A voltmeter is an instrument used to measure voltage or electrical potential difference between the 2 points. Okay, it is used to measure the voltage or potential difference between 2 points. So what are the parameters? What type of voltages we can measure using the voltmeter? We can measure either DC current voltage or AC voltage. We can measure either DC voltage or AC voltage. So what are the various types of voltmeter? It is analog voltmeter and VTVM, that is vacuum tube voltmeter, and FET voltmeter. Okay, that is VTVM means vacuum voltmeter. FET means FET based voltmeter, and third one is the digital voltmeter. So in analog voltmeter we can measure the analog voltage. Okay, so what instrument is used to measure the analog voltmeter? Moving coil. Okay, that is a permanent magnet is used to measure the analog voltage. So in moving coil instrument we can measure only the DC voltage. So when a current flows through the coil, the deflecting torque is produced according to the Lorentz-Force equation. The torque is directly proportional to the voltage across that particular point. So it is the law. The final point shows that the torque is directly proportional to the voltage across the particular circuit. In DC voltmeter, it is used to measure the DC. So by how we can measure the DC voltage? By connecting the resistor in series with the circuit. In dynamometer type moving coil instrument, it consists of two coils, that is one is fixed and other is rotation. Okay, the other coil will be rotating. The interaction between the fixed coil and the rotating coil will show the deflection of the voltage in dynamometer type moving coil instrument. So this is the moving coil. So this is the north and south pole is the fixed magnet, and in between the magnet is the rotating. So the deflection between the fixed and rotating magnet will show the deflection of the voltage across the coil. So what are the advantages of moving coil instrument? Means the scale is uniform, it can be easily extended, and low power consumption. Okay, and stray load currents are very small. Stray load currents means that is unnecessary current. That is current leakage will be small. In moving iron voltmeter, we can measure both AC voltage and DC voltage. The interaction between the fluxes produced by the two elements produces the deflecting torque. So this is the moving iron instrument. Already we have seen the moving iron instrument. This is an electromagnet. So when a current flows through the coil, it will give the supply. Then the coil across coil wound பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. So supply கொடுத்தோனே இந்த coil magnetic force வந்து extract ஆகும். So between the coil, the magnetic force between the coils வந்து என்ன பண்ணும்? இந்த pointer வந்து move பண்ணும். இதுதான் என்னது moving iron instrument ஓட working principle. So this moving iron instrument is used for both AC and DC measurement, low cost, and the torque to weight ratio is high. In electrostatic voltmeter, we can use the two coils. The electrostatic between the two coils, there is repulsion force will extract the coil, The electrostatic voltmeters are categorized into three types. One is the repulsion type, second one is the attraction type, and third one is the symmetrical type. So these are the advantages of electrostatic instruments. In vacuum tube voltmeter, it is a old type of voltmeter. It will show the